So it's 2:22 in the morning. My son is coughing, so I'm just going to show you kind of how we use Young Living in the middle of the night to work with his cough. So I'm doing a squirt of the V6 vegetable oil complex, a couple drops of eucalyptus. I just put a little dish and I'm going to go rub it on him. I also, for our purposes, I have a stethoscope so that I can listen to his lungs and how he's breathing. So, sorry it's dark, obviously everybody's asleep. So, again, my son is coughing, and so I just showed you that I just put some V6 vegetable oil and eucalyptus, and I just rub it on his chest while he's asleep. Chest and neck. I personally believe that the best thing that you can do for your child when they're feeling this way after you put the oils on is pray for them. So that's what I'm going to do. As you can see, I have a diffuser right beside his bed that I need to refill. The timer has gone out. So I'm going to go refill that with Thieves Purification and Raven. That's one of our favorite combinations. So I've finished applying the oils on him. I did a few places of massage that are good for respiratory. And I refilled his diffuser, which you can see is in the background working. He is back asleep. He is not coughing anymore. And again, this is one more reason that I just absolutely love Young Living, because before I would need to, we'd be up in the middle of the night doing albuterol, but instead now I apply some oils and anything that's bothering him or making it challenging for him to breathe usually subsides after a few minutes of applying the oils. So yeah, just another way that a real mom uses essential oils to fix a problem that we deal with on a regular basis with our children. Thanks for watching.